This is all wrong. I shouldn't be up here. People are suffering.
Renting prices have skyrocketed.
And all you can talk about is money and fairy tales of eternal economic growth.
Structures usually aren't being used now because a lot of people are either telecommuting or ride sharing or getting deliveries, so they're not being used throughout the city. A typical parking space is 8 feet by 18 feet, which is the equivalent to a 12 by 12 typical bedroom. So each of these parking spaces could be a bedroom.
Look at this place! It's huge!
What I need.
I'm sure it's right around here.
Yeah, it looks familiar.
I remember the elevator.
There's elevators all over. Everything looks the same.